to my exciting session. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, very good. Now, what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn a new letter. And which letter? Letter. Which letter is this? Tell me. Which letter? I will tell you, okay, which letter is this. But before that, let's welcome you all with the welcome song. And what is the welcome song? Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray! Yes, my lovely children, very good. Did you enjoy these rhymes? Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. Very nice. Start the class, okay? Now, anyone can guess which letter is this? Anyone? No, ma'am will tell you. This is letter E. This is capital E. And this is red one. Which color is this? Red. And this is small e. Okay? Big E, small e. Okay? Now, who want to do the rhymes with ma'am? Who want to do the rhymes? If you want, clap 2 times. 1, 2. So, all of you are ready? Ready, steady, and go. Okay. Hold the egg in your hand. Hold the egg in your hand. Very good. And pretend to crack an egg. Okay? Like this. Okay? And sing the rhymes with me. Eggs in the pan, ah ah ah. Eggs in the pan, ah ah ah. Eggs in the pan, ah ah ah. Cracking like this way, ah. Once more, okay? Eggs in the pan, ah ah ah. Eggs in the pan, ah ah ah. Eggs in the pan, ah ah ah. Cracking like this way, ah. So, what you have learned from this song? What you have learned? You have learned the sound of letter E. Okay? And what is the sound of letter E? A. A. If you open your mouth, A, this is the sound of A. A, A, A. But the sound of letter E is small opening of your mouth. Only like this way and say A, 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 A. This is the sound of letter E. Okay? So did you enjoy the rhymes? Did you enjoy? Very good. Start the class, okay? Now, anyone can guess which letter is this? Anyone? No, ma'am will tell you. This is letter E. This is capital E. And this is red one. Which color is this? Red. And this is small e. Okay? Big E, small e. Okay? Want to do the magic? Everyone want to do the magic? Okay. So take out your magic pencil. Very good. Now trace this capital E. Standing line, come down, come down, come down. Okay? At the top, one slipping line. In between, one slipping line. And at the bottom, one more slipping line. It means 3 slipping line and 1 standing line makes letter E. Okay? Capital E. Now trace this small e. From here, we will go up, 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 then curve, 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 curve. This is small e. Again, from here, come up, 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 then curve, 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 stop. This is small e. And what is the sound of E? Eh, eh, eh. Okay? Now, do you want to do the writing in sky? Who want to do the writing on sky? Everyone? Yes. Let's look here. Standing line, come down. One more slipping line, slipping line, slipping line. This is capital A. Do you want to do on paper? Let's do. Standing line, come down. One slipping line, slipping line, slipping line, capital E. And from here, curve, 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 stop. This is a small A. Okay? So did you enjoy the magic writing? Did you enjoy? Very good. Clap for yourself.